Rev the Huracan, dude.
Welcome back to another video, everybody. This is going to be a fun one. We are driving all the way out to Mexico today. We are running my twin turbo S650 versus Foster's 2021 Lamborghini Huracan all-wheel drive V10 versus rear-wheel drive twin turbo V8. However, I don't have a tune. This isn't fair. So if I win, it's awesome. If I lose, it's not my fault. So a little side note before we get into today's video, just to remind you, once we hit 100,000 followers, we are giving away a HELLHORSE twin turbo kit to whoever wins. That's a $12,000 turbo kit, gonna go to somebody random. So this is Foster's 2021 Huracan Evo. He just got it. It's got like 4,000 miles on it, basically salvage title right now. V10, all-wheel drive. I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to lose this, and I'm supposed to lose it pretty bad, but either A, we get a really cool roller of the Huracan, or B, we get a really cool video of me beating the Huracan. Either way, it's a win-win. Then we have my S650 right here. It has a HELLHORSE twin turbo kit on there, MT82 car, so if I lose, that's why. Hey, Nick, are you gonna be in here shifting the gears for me?
Yes.
So I've posted a couple videos on this car by now. It's not crazy fast. Obviously the cars are not tunable yet. So it's on a 3-pound wastegate spring, making roughly 500, mid 500, maybe 560 to 580 wheel horsepower. Not sure how much a Huracan makes. I believe it's more, I hope it's more than that because he paid like 300 grand for the car. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get a start up for the Huracan, get a start up for the S650, and then head out to Mexico. All right, what do you think the outcome's gonna be? What are you expecting?
All right, guys, this bully showed up at my house once again. He only likes to race stock cars, so keep in mind, all these cars in here will be built in a few months, but we'll never see Parker again after today. He decided to race my M3.
Bro's mad I beat the M3. Bro's mad I beat the M3. Now he's gonna be mad. What's the excuse when I beat the Huracan? What's the excuse when I beat the Huracan?
You're not gonna beat it, so.
Oh, that's a lot of confidence. A lot of confidence for. Need to get a little start up now on the S650. Gonna probably sound a little bit better than that Huracan. It is what it is. Do a start up on the Huracan right here. Oh yeah, dude. It sounds just as good in my opinion.
Rev the Huracan, dude. Dude, it's clapped. That thing is twin.
I own both cars. Sheepy stage 2.
It's a stage 2 kit, not a stage 1?
Huh?
It's a stage 2 Sheepy kit?
It's a stage 0.
Stage 0?
Bro, this car just goes.
Does it?
Like, let me get the hit.
Let us get the hit.
I'll give you fucking how many seconds you want.
Just the hit.
My hit. I gave it to you. No.
Huracan Evo, a Lamborghini. It's like, did you really lose at the end of the day?
See, if I had this car tuned though, would I really have lost? Did I really lose today? His car costs as much as my house, and
that car's worth like 6 of these cars.
Right?
So it's like, did you really lose?
I mean, bro's got a stage 2 Sheepy kit on there for sure.
He does. I mean, $300,000 car, $50,000 Mustang. It's like,
We're gonna have to rerun this race once tuning is out.
Once tuning's out?
Once tuning's out, we have to rerun it.
Why don't you just put the bigger springs in it?
I don't want to blow it up. We're still on stock. This is stock tune. This car is on the stock tune. 26 degrees of timing. 26 degrees of timing, stock tune. maybe 3.5, 4 pounds.
Yeah, but what that Isaac guy has 6 pound springs in his car, doesn't he?
Yeah, they still need a data log to see if that's messed up though. So.
Well, if it works, why not if it's 6
Did you hear
pounds? Yeah, I did.
Yeah, it's because I'm a good driver. So look, this is a track
Not
car.
rev match,
It's
is
a
it?
track car.
We're going 40 miles an hour around a
We're
turn.
going 55 first of all.
We're going 51. It's on camera for proof.
Yeah, dude, that Huracan is taking those corners.
Of course it is. And now we just hit it, dude. Now he's leaving us.
You can't tell me it doesn't sound better. Okay, the Huracan does sound
The
better.
Huracan sounds better, right?
The Huracan does sound pretty good.
Huracan sounds
The Huracan, all right. It's a $300,000 car.
I mean, it is a
Cut me a break here.
Why don't you buy one?
That's genius.
That
I don't
is-
know why I didn't think of that.
Why?
If I just buy a Huracan, then I don't need a Mustang to beat a Huracan.
Exactly.
We'll rerun it with the black car. You think you'll want that?
The black car?
Yeah.
I mean, be a fair race.
Super fair. That one only makes 1130 to the tire.
I mean, that's a Sheepy Stage 2 car.
That is a Sheepy Stage 2 car. And even if Foster says that it's a stock car that he bought like a week ago, it definitely is still a Sheepy car.
I believe it.
All right. What do you got to say, dude? Just say it.
It wasn't even close.
It was close.
No, not even close.
Dude, it was close.
It
I
was
mean, this
close.
thing's got twin turbos. Was I supposed to win?
This thing's stock.
Ricky's trying to pretend that this thing
This
is
thing
stock.
is stock.
This is Sheepy Stage 2.
This is stock everything.
Sheepy Stage 2 and the twin turbo S650
That doesn't even deserve to be world
held
first
its own.
anymore.
It is though. It's always and forever world's first.
Ass whooping.
Look, bro, you win some, you lose some. We were just on the wrong end of that today. But once I can tune that car, I'm gonna walk this thing like a dog. Walk it like a dog. It will, dude. It's gonna walk it like a dog. The real question is there a $250,000 difference in that race?
1,000%.
Heath, what do you think? Is there a $250,000 difference in that race?
There is.
No, there's not, dude. The S650, I'm not mad at her. She held her own. She didn't blow up. You know, we'll get some better races in. We already beat the M3. We just couldn't hold up to the Huracan.
Come back for that.
Dude, stop. Just stop.
Let me. You. That's like you want to race this too.
See, look, he's mad. He's mad. I beat the M3. Okay.
Oh, I bet.
This thing dusted the M3.
I tried to race him from a dig from the F450.
That's
he
okay.
didn't
That
want
has
it.
X-Drive.
This doesn't.
That has all-wheel drive.
I'll leave it off.
Oh my God, shut up. Even if you just left rear-wheel drive on, it's still technically four-wheel drive because there's still four wheels in the back.
That's more weight. This kid over here, power to weight. See, power to weight.
That probably has power, and
It definitely has weight.
that thing is made out of straight aluminum. That probably weighs 2,800 pounds.
Oh fuck. The wheels.
All right, look, that's gonna do it. But to settle things, sure, 2021 Huracan Evo beats a twin turbo S650. Big whoop.